Up guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video we are going to talk about stock trading tips, call options, intraday tips, delivery tips for the day 10th January 2018. So before getting to the video, I like to tell you guys, please watch the full video. Please hit the like button if you like the video. Please share the video to everyone you know, your friends, family, colleagues, relative members, everyone. Share it to every contact of your phone. Also share on social media and all, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. And at last, please subscribe the channel. So without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. So our first tip for tomorrow is quick heal. So buy quick heal for 375 or at market open price, and our target for it will be 377, 378.6, 3 380, 382, and 385. So these are the targets for quick heal. Let's see the detail for it. Okay, so today's range is 384.75, 52-week high is the same 384.75. Let's see the detail for it for a day, month, year. Let's see the volume and different types of graphs. Candlestick, differentiate line and bar. Okay, so second tip for tomorrow is DLF. So buy DLF for 270 to 271 or at market open price, and our target will be 272, 273.6, 275, 276 and 278.9. So these are the targets for DLF. Let's see the detail for it. So day's range high is 271.40, 52-week high is the same. Let's see the detail for it for a day, month, and year. Let's see the volume for different types of graphs for day. So third tip for tomorrow is PC Jewelers. Buy PC Jewelers for 535, 532 to 533 or at market open price, and our targets will be 535, 536.6, 539, 542 and 543.8. So these are the targets for PC Jewelers. Let's see the detail for it. Day's range high is 539, 52-week high is the same 539. Let's see the detail for it for a day, month, year. Let's see the volume of different types of graphs. Okay. So fourth tip for tomorrow is escorts. Buy escorts for 795 or market open price, and our targets will be 796, 797.6, 799 and 801.9. And last targets are this escorts for long-term investment. Its last target will be till 820. Okay, so let's see the detail for it. Okay, so today's range high is 803, 52-week high is 805. Let's see the detail for it for a day, month, and year. Let's see the volume for it with different types of graphs, candlestick, differentiate line, bar. Okay, so last tip for tomorrow is Canoria Chemicals and Industries. Buy it for 108 or to 109 or at market open price, and our target will be 110, 101.6, 103. 110, 111.6, 113 and 114.8. So these are the targets. So let's see the detail for it. So today's range is 109.45, 52-week high is the same 109.45. Let's see the detail for it for a day, month and here let's say the volume of different types of graphs. Okay. Okay, so these are the pretty much tips for tomorrow. And guys, I have a big investment program for you guys, that is pre-IPOs and unlisted shares. So if you wish to buy, please contact me. Price will reduce as per the quantity, more the quantity, less the price. And don't worry guys, I will give you the best price. Okay. And if you want to buy, simply contact me on this number. And if you want to WhatsApp me on the second number. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. So guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button, please share the video to everyone and grow our channel, and please be part of the family by simply clicking this red subscribe button and click the notification icon bell, so you will get notifications and update whenever I upload videos. So that's pretty much for today. Good.